Pavitra. I'm from Kadiyali. My qualification is MA and DEd. I have completed my primary and high school in Pedur and PUC in Hirirka and DEd in Udupi at Vidyaniketana DEd College Nampatmadi. I have completed my graduation and post-graduation in Karnataka State Open University. My profession is teacher for primary school. When I have finished my DEd, I have joined school for teaching, but I get less salary. Then I have 3 years experience in Kannada medium school. After my marriage, I left the job. Then 2019, I have again joined the English medium school. But I suffered more in English medium school because my lack of fluency in English and grammar also. And English medium school expected more fluency in English and very good knowledge in English, and parents also have high expectation in English and having over the English both written and spoken. Then I thought I want to improve my English with fluency. Then I decided to learn English. Then I started to learn through online, watching YouTube and refer some books. But I didn't learn. But I didn't. Then I decided to join English coaching course. My friend suggested GITA, Guru Krupa English Training Academy. My primary goal is fluent in English, so I said I joined Guru Krupa English Training School. In Guru Krupa's in GITA, Mrs. Suprita and Prashant sir were trainer. They teach very well, effective and attractive. Their teaching included variety of method such as group discussion, role playing, pick and speech, and dictionary game. This all helpful to me improve my vocabulary and remove my stage fear and boost my confidence. And they taught some technique how to improve our English speaking skill. They always motivated you refer dictionary. It is very important to learn many information, and it is the best tool to learn English, and always encouraged to keep on refer English and thinking in English. And they also their language club also helpful to me, like they had to me improve myself also. That is also help to me concentrate learning English. And I have to thankful Suprita ma'am and Prashant sir. I have gained confidence in express myself with more fluency and effectively. Thank you once again, and I would like to express my gratitude sir and ma'am, because of your support, dedication, encouragement, and sharing your lot of knowledge with us. Thank you, sir.